Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix YouTube MiniPlayer turns off for my YouTube video. So basically, if I tap on my YouTube application and open my YouTube account and just play a video, for example, if I play this video and now drag it down, it will show me MiniPlayer is off, made for kids video, tap play to resume. What it basically means is this video is made for kids and you can't play this video at MiniPlayer. So if you want to fix this, what you have to do is you just have to come back to your home screen, and after coming back to your home screen you just have to search for YT Studio. And after searching for YT Studio, here you can find your account, and now you have to select that video which is showing you that error. So after selecting that video, now you have to tap on the pencil icon which is on the top of your screen, and after tapping on that pencil icon it will take you to a page where you can find a bunch of options. You just have to tap on audience. Yes, it's made for kids, so you just have to tap on the third option. After tapping on the third option, you can see your video is set on yes, it's made for kids. You just have to turn it to no, it's not made for kids, and you can add an age restriction if you like. And after doing that, you just have to come back and then save your changes. And after saving that changes, now you just have to go back to your videos, and now here you can see the video which was showing me that error. Now it is not showing me that error and it is playing in MiniPlayer. So this is how to fix YouTube MiniPlayer turns off for my YouTube channel videos. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.